If we don't reach a settlement at mediation, the next step is a trial. Trial could be before a judge who may decide your case, or it could be before a jury. Here's how a trial works. First step is what's called voir dire. This only applies if your case is tried before a jury. This is basically the jury selection process. We ask a bunch of prospective jurors questions to find out if they would be fair and impartial for you and your case. After we select the jury, we then go into opening comments or opening statements. This is where we give the jury an overview of what your case is about and what evidence we expect the case is going to show throughout your trial. Then we go into testimony. You will of course testify, similar to what you did in the deposition. In addition to that, there may be testimony from medical providers, such as the doctor who treated you. It could be a medical technician of some sort. It could be someone who took property damage pictures. It all depends on your specific case. Also involved in the testimony phase is what's called the cross-examination. This is where the defense attorney gets to ask each witness questions about their particular testimony. During this process, the defense attorney may put on evidence themselves. They may have their own client, the person who caused the accident, for instance, testify. We then get to cross-examine that person. They may also have their own doctor who's reviewed your case testify. Again, we get to cross-examine that doctor as well. After the testimony is given and each side rests their case, we then go into closing arguments. Closing arguments basically summarizes what the evidence has now shown during the trial itself. After we give the closing arguments, the defense attorney then gives theirs, and then we are entitled to what's called a brief rebuttal closing comment to address some of the issues the defense attorney has brought up. Once that's done, the jury goes out for what's called jury deliberations, where they decide your case. Are you considering litigation? Give us a call. We'll talk to you about your case and what your options might be. That way, you can make a fully educated decision about what to do next.